In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to pay your motor vehicle fitness fee online. So you want to go to www.jamaicatax.gov.jm. The link will be in the description of this video. Once you're on the website, you're going to select Client Login. Now if you're new here, you're going to select Create Account. Complete your first name, middle name, last name, a username, and email address. Make sure you write down your username. And then enter the verification text. A password will be sent to your email address. So I'm just going to step back and log in. Once you're logged in, you want to ensure that you select the e-services tab. Then select Pay Motor Vehicle Fitness Fees. From the drop down, select the fee code and description. So if you're paying for a motorcycle, select what is appropriate, trailer, or even a truck, right? So select what is appropriate. So here I'm just going to select MV Fitness Certificate for private car and truck. Here enter your TRN and then select Show Amount. Select Add to Today's Tax Total. Ensure that you check the service that you are paying for. Then select that you review the information on this page and then select Pay Taxes. Now on this page, all you need to do is provide your credit card or debit card information, make the payment, and download your receipt. And that's basically it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a share.